Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you love looking stylish, confident, and effortlessly beautiful, then you're in the right place. Today's video is all about beautiful viral hairstyles you should try in 2025. These hairstyles are trending everywhere right now, and they are perfect for women who want to stay fashionable without stress. Whether you're a student, a working woman, a mom, or someone who simply loves switching up her look, this video is made just for you. These hairstyles are not only popular, they are practical, stylish, and easy to maintain. In 2025, hair trends are all about simplicity mixed with elegance, looking classy without spending hours in front of the mirror. The hairstyles you're about to see are perfect for everyday wear, special occasions, office days, weddings, parties, and casual outings. No matter your hair length, texture, or face shape, there is something here that will inspire you and help you feel more confident in your appearance. You'll notice simple, everyday hairstyles that are neat, clean, and easy to recreate. These styles are perfect for busy days when you still want to look put together. They protect your hair, save time, and still make you look beautiful and stylish wherever you go. As the video continues, they'll also see viral hairstyles that are taking over social media in 2025. These are the looks everyone is loving, sharing, and recreating. From modern braids to stylish ponytails, soft curls, sleek looks, and creative updos. These hairstyles are designed to stand out while still being classy and wearable. Some of these hairstyles are perfect for special moments and celebrations. Whether you're attending a wedding, birthday party, traditional event, or an important gathering, these looks add elegance and confidence to your overall appearance. With the right styling and accessories, these hairstyles can completely transform your look. Your hairstyle plays a big role in how you feel about yourself. The right hairstyle can boost your confidence, enhance your beauty, and help you express your personality. That's why we bring you hairstyle inspiration that celebrates creativity, beauty, and individuality. No matter who you are, you deserve to feel beautiful and confident every single day. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new hairstyle inspiration, beauty trends, and style ideas. We would also love to hear from you. So tell us in the comments which hairstyle caught your attention and which one you'll be trying in 2025. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Your love and support mean everything to us. Keep glowing, stay stylish, and always remember that confidence begins with how you feel about yourself. See you in the next video.